Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is the third part, and hopefully the last. Because while I was loading, I was just thinking, if you didn't watch part two, you need to watch that, or you don't need to watch it, but to really understand what I'm talking about. The other videos were about Corel and math. This is not particular so much. But I've had this happen to me many times. Let's rotate this rectangle 14.5 degrees. Okay, and then you make a duplicate and you need to rotate this other one 17 more degrees. So it'd be 31.5 to get there. But what you can do is take your smart fill tool, fill in that object, move it out of the way, left click, right click, and now it's back to 0. And now you can just rotate it 17 degrees and get the exact same degrees. It's a lot easier to figure out that way using the smart fill tool to fill something in, and then it'll reset it back to 0 degrees. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.